These straw cleaning brushes are so good, they work so well, and they are super sturdy. They come in so many different sizes, from very large to teeny tiny. It's hard to see. This one has super small bristles, and this is exactly why I bought this specific pack. As a baby mom and now a toddler mom, I needed different size brushes to be able to get inside and really clean my bottle nipples and my pacifiers, and now these rubbery straws. This small straw cleaner gets in those teeny tiny holes so easily. It has plenty of room to move around, but still is touching the edges, so it is definitely getting the straw clean. I also needed something to clean these tiny syringes, so you can just take the back out and these fit perfectly inside there. To get the front, all I do is switch to the small one, turn this around, and it fits perfectly inside. So now you can be sure all of your baby's things are perfectly clean and sanitized. Another great feature about these is that they do bend, so you can clean bendy straws. This is my metal straw. It is bent. When I put this inside, it does conform to the straw, and you can see it goes all the way up to the top. They come connected to this little key ring. It does open. You can open it up and take them off as you please. I like to keep them on so they don't get lost in my drawers. I can easily find whatever size I need. I really believe anything bigger than the biggest one can be cleaned by a bottle brush, and I have never come across anything that needed to be cleaned by anything smaller than my smallest one.